my dear students. I'm Güzide teacher. How are you today? I hope you're all good. Read aloud a story with Güzide teacher. This week we will read Two Little Dicky Birds. Our story name is Two Little Dicky Birds. Oh, which animal is it? Yes, it is a bird. And two little dicky birds are sitting on a ball. Where are they sitting? On a wall. They are sitting on a ball. And what is it? Yes, the sun. The sun is shining. Oh, who is this? This is Emma. Emma says, "Hello, Dicky birds. What's your name?" "My name is Peter," says one of the Dicky birds. "My name is Paul," says the other Dicky birds. Then Peter flies away. Paul flies away too. "Oh dear," says Emma. Emma is sad. Look, is Emma happy? No, she is sad. She says, "Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul." She is waiting for the birds. Oh, thanks to God. Peter comes back. Paul comes back too. Now Peter, Paul, and Emma are sitting on the wall. And they are all happy. Let's sing Two Little Dicky Birds. Look, they are dicky birds. 1, 2. And what is this? This is the wall. Let's sing together. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Na 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 na. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Dun, 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 dun. Try and guess the animal before the time runs out. Yes, it is a cat. Well done, it is a rabbit. Yes, a dog. Good work. It is a frog. A hedgehog. A snake. Yes, a giraffe. Perfect, a fox. A deer. Awesome, a horse. How many did you guess? Cat, rabbit, dog, frog, hedgehog, snake, giraffe, fox, deer, and the horse. Well done.
Two little dicky birds are sitting on a wall.
Hello, dicky birds,
Says Emma.
What's your name? My name's Peter.
Says one of the dicky birds.
My name's Paul.
Says the other dicky bird. Then Peter flies away. Paul flies away too.
Oh dear,
Says Emma. Now Emma is sad.
come back, Peter. Come back, Paul,
she says. Peter comes back. Paul comes back too. Now Peter, Paul and Emma are sitting on the wall.
Sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
You are perfect. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.